Hey everyone, I wanted to share a little video here of a cool experience I had a little while ago. A lot of you don't know that I volunteer with Elevate Aviation to do some drone presentations as part of the ACE week, which is a week where they take a class of students, could be of different ages, and then they would walk them through the airport, and every day they get to experience a different side of aviation. And so I work with them for the drone side, so I would do a presentation. So what I would do is I would do a small presentation, and then I would actually let the, in that case, there were 6th graders, I believe, and I got them to actually try the drone racing simulator. I got them on Velocidrone, and then they each got to take a turn at actually trying to fly an FPV drone in acro, as you can see. And then at the end, I finished the lesson by flying a drone and connecting my goggles to the TV in the back so they can see what I see, and I would fly the drone through the classroom and around the actual school, and then back into the classroom for the kids to see what it's like to experience a real deal. And so enjoy the little video and enjoy the comments the kids have on what they see when they see the drone fly around.
Ready?
Alright, now watch on the TV. You can see all of it right here.
Oh, where is it? It's Yo, I can see it. He's spying on the neighbors.
The office is upstairs.
Let's try the stairs again.
I can see sounds. I can see sound examinator. Let's go to the bathroom. No, it's so close. Oh, that was so close.
If it's so far away, we can't even hear it.
It's upstairs. Where are we?
So this is the office upstairs.
Oh, look, that's my bedroom. That's a cool logo. Imagine them scaring someone. Yeah, imagine that's just a
So there's the classroom that the West learners usually work out of.
That's so cool.
They went on a field trip today, so.
Same here. I think I can kind of hear it.
Yeah, I hear it. Yeah, I can hear it.
Oh, I hear it. Coming back. I can even hear the room.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you saw, do subscribe or press like, and then we'll see you in the next video.